Alright, it's cooking time. I'm going to start off potatoes. People like to watch the time lapse. Here we go. Okay. I'm also going to chop up about half a zucchini. Maybe that was a little bit less. It's going to go in late. Cut them small, they'll cook quicker. And then I have some of these mini peppers. I don't seed them. And some onion. And I just cut chunks out of onion. It's probably not how you're supposed to do it. I don't like it to overwhelm, but I like onion. It's not normally how I do that, but hey, it worked. Olive oil on the potatoes. Garlic powder. I should move these closer. I needed a bigger piece of foil to see if we can make this work. And Creole seasoning because I like it. This is crappy foil. Alright, and that's going to go on the grill. Alright, so I messed up that last piece of foil and then this piece of foil, so we're just going to put these veggies on the foil. They'll go in later if they'll fit. They kind of fit. Oh, they're going to need oil. I'm having a bad aluminum foil day. Trying not to waste it. I guess I'm being stupid. Okay? Okay. And I make these next. I'm going to make them on the grill. They're just butterfly pork chops. I'm going to hit them with some emeralds and probably a little Creole seasoning. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. Next are the pork chops. I'm doing this the lazy way. One side's already got the seasonings. And that side's already got the seasonings. Now we'll put it on the top. Put these potatoes back over. Put the pork chop. Some early flip. Now I'm going to put the other veggies on there. Woohoo! It's coming. You make do. Woohoo! Creole seasoning. Yeah. A little more emeralds on there. Alright. Turn the grill off. One last flip as I go get my plate. Pork chop. Alright, so there we go. First, mini pepper. Good. Still got crunch and soft. Very good. Potatoes. Good potatoes. And now we'll cut into this pork chop. I have applesauce, those little containers. I might try those out. There we go. That's cooked. A little char to it. And not too undone. Let's see. That's good. Alright, flyover time. There's your it fly over. Pork chop, potatoes. Then we got zucchini, mini peppers, onions. Great stuff. And have a great and wonderful day.